car is running kind of very low when I turned it on this morning. The sound was not normal, so I checked it out and checked this out. Yeah, the car got a, what's the problem with it? XC90 2006 2.5 liter. Check your hoses, you never know, man. Once you pick it up, check it.